We came down on Thursday and been staying at Rice and Beans in San Ignacio, and we run from San Ignacio back to La Paz now 2 times. And tonight we're just waiting right now for dark to hit, so we can pre-run the section out of Loreto here with the wash, and whereas rain has taken its toll on the course to get the technical section of it in and during the darkness like we're going to be doing during the race. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to go and drive all the way through to La Paz, hopefully be down there between midnight, 1 o'clock tonight, and then tomorrow morning hit back up to San Ignacio where we're going to get in the car.
So you're sharing the driving with Armin?
Yeah, Armin is doing from the start to San Ignacio, and I'm doing from the San Ignacio to the finish.
Okay, so what do you think of the course this year? Like, how is it going to be? I know with the hurricane and everything. And
well, people always make it out to be real bad. I don't think there's anything real bad that's unpassable or anything like that, but it definitely has brought some of the sections down in speed. But then the whoop sections out on the beach has gotten way mellower than they've been in the past, so definitely go faster there. And so I think as an overall, it's slowed it down a bit. It's made it more technical in some sections, probably bring the average speed down by about 5 miles an hour, but as a whole, it's not that bad.
Okay. Well, good luck.
Thank you.